This video will help you to send SMS to many phone contacts, to many numbers at a time. Unlike when you use hours to send SMS to few persons, but this video will help you to send SMS to as many numbers as possible at a given time using few minutes to achieve this. Simply follow this video to help you to do this. So the next thing you have to do, or how you can begin this process, is to launch your message folder, as in where you use in sending your text message. When you get here, click on create message or start a new message history. Create a new message. So the next thing you have to do is to input the phone numbers you wish to send this bulk SMS, because sending many SMS to many numbers at a point is called bulk SMS. So you have to select the numbers by going to where you need to input the phone numbers. The key to this is to use comma. Comma will help separate all the numbers you are sending this SMS to. For example, this is the phone number I want to send SMS to. Input the phone number. When you are done with the phone number, conclude it with comma. Each phone number should be separated with a comma. You can type as many phone numbers as you can, but use comma to separate them. You see that I'm typing many phone numbers at a given time, unlike when you were sending 11111. So use comma to separate the phone numbers. This will help you to send as many SMS to different numbers at a given time. As in just one click, you'll be able to send a text to hundreds of persons. All you have to do is to input each number and separate them with a comma. You can type as many as 1,000 contacts and send it at a given time to people without stress. All you have to do is to carefully follow this video, and as well as applying your comma. Your comma after inputting each phone number or each phone contact, use comma to separate them. Like what you are seeing on your screen, I am using comma to separate each number. Carefully follow this video to get how I am doing it, because when you carefully follow this video, you'll be able to achieve this without stress. Use comma to separate each number you are inputting to help you to send SMS to as many contacts as you can. So when you are done with inputting the numbers, as you can see, these are so many numbers. Because I have few numbers to send, that is why I'm stopping here. But you, if you have many as you can, input them and use comma to separate each number from the other before you can send the SMS. So when you are done inputting the numbers, let me show you the numbers again, that there are so many. When you're done inputting the number, you click on next. Depending on your phone, there is no need to create group names. Keep it. Depending on your phone, like now you can see that I am sending this SMS to 37 persons, and I use few seconds to type the phone number, unlike when you'll be typing the phone number singly, sending the SMS singly. It will force you to spend more time on your phone. But with this process, this technique I just showed to you, you'll be able to use few seconds, few minutes, and you are done with your SMS sending. So here is the box for the SMS typing. Please, let's use this format. Please come for meeting. Please remember to come for our meeting tomorrow. So there are some phones that will display at the upper side. This is the upper side of your screen. It will display where you can input the phone numbers, and here is where you should input the text. But some phones may ask you, to skip or to create a certain group. That group will help you to be sending SMS without stress each time you need to send it to the group of persons, to help you to create that group, so that just a click next time the SMS will go without giving you stress. So we are done with the phone numbers. As I told you earlier, these 37 phone numbers imputed under few seconds, less than 1 minute. So when you are done, come here and click on send. Select your respective network. After selecting your respective network, click on it, and you see that the SMS will deliver one after the other until it is done with about 38, these 37 numbers. You can as well use this time to schedule your sending. You can schedule the sending by using this option. Click on schedule, and you'll be able to schedule your message. Don't forget what I told you. After inputting the number up here and the SMS here, you have to click here to send the SMS. And after then, you'll be asked which SIM you are sending it with. Select your respective SIM. You can as well schedule the message and then send it. From there, you'll be able to achieve this without stress. As you can see, they are telling you SMS mass text sent. So automatically I've been able to send SMS to about 37 numbers in few seconds. Don't forget that this is latest tech. Subscribe to this channel, share it to your friends, like this video. If you have any question, please use below comment section of this video to drop your question, and I'll be glad to reply to you in few seconds or in a moment. See you in our next video.